Welcome to this tutorial about class progress in OAKS. By the end, you'll be able to check out your class progress at a bird's eye view to see who's struggling and who's thriving. To get to class progress, start on your OAKS homepage, click Management, Edit Course. From there, you'll find Course Administration, scroll to Learner Management, and click on Class Progress. Once you're there, you'll see a list of your students with an overview of their work that they've completed. For example, Fake McKinley has completed 5 out of 11 modules. They've only logged in a couple times, very impressive, but their grades need a little help. So as the instructor, I will see this and reach out to Fake McKinley to see if there's anything that I can do to support her. With TLT student, I can see that they've completed nothing. They've logged in 4 times, but I have yet to see any progress as far as grades and content modules. So I would definitely reach out to the TLT student to see how I can help.